Hi and welcome to the Naval Tick Tinker. My name is Mikael Sjöman and I have been taking quite a long break from making videos since I think last autumn, and the reason is that I have been studying for my pilot license, and I didn't have a lot of time when you're studying for ground school. But now it's spring, it's late March, but it's getting sunny here and you can have a t-shirt, so yeah, I really need to get going with my son's jet motor. So this video is about the progress I have made since last time, and I'm gonna show you how things work. And if you haven't been following along, this is kind of an outboard electric water jet motor I'm building. I am basing this off the MJet 75, I think, and so this is not my design, but I've designed this box, and as you can see I have these water seals. I have an SSS 56114 500 kV motor. Should have probably been 300 when I think about it, but yeah, I have what I have. Probably a bad purchase, but that just means that for every volt it's gonna run 500 times per second. And the things I've done since last time, for those who has been following along, is that I have gotten this in place. I have a water seal in here, and I'm gonna build next to have a grease. So from here to under here, there's gonna be grease to stop the water from going in. And you can see the water nipple, which is taking water from, I don't know, the pump house or whatever you call it out here. So I bought these ones during the weekend, and they fit real lovely. Let's see if we can get them on with one hand. Ooh, doubtful. Can I? Nah, almost. Come on, go in there. Cool. You can see kind of how this is going to look right now. And we got that one. I think I got the wrong one on. Of course I did. Let's see. One more time. Come on. It's funny because I watched another video and I could see that they have real big issues getting these, but these fit perfectly. And you can see I kind of have inserts in here that I have just screwed them onto. Probably have to put like Loctite or even glue, like epoxy or something in there. So, come on, can you get this? So you're starting to see how it's gonna look. I am gonna have steering here, so the original doesn't have these. I have to modify the STLs. I'm really happy that the designer of this MJet water jet allowed us to kind of modify it, and it gave us this. I mean the CAD files for it, so I can actually have this one here to steer. And I made it modular, so I haven't built in how to do the steering, but I'm gonna have servo here that is controlling this arm. As you can see, like this. Probably gonna have to redesign this, but yeah, first trial. The cool thing is, like, I can see that everything fits, which is just darn wonderful. You can see the water is kind of coming here, in there, and in here to cool off the motor. And possibly I put the ESC, which is the motor controller, inside here too. This is not fitting perfectly, this nipple. Probably can make it work, but I'm probably gonna print something on here to make it more stable and durable and watertight, and then I'm just gonna fill it with epoxy, I think, just to make it stuck there. And the idea is that I just fill in grease and then I just lock it, and then I can refill grease as it goes away. But that grease inside here, from the shaft that goes there to, let's see, to there. So if you think this distance, it's gonna be filled with grease. And I just put this one on, the insert, and I'm printing the part here so I can put this one on. I have also filed this one down, grinded this one down to make it work with these. So let's take a break and take a look at those, how that looks. So I put this together now. You can see they're kind of connected here. It kind of locks into the other here. I don't know if you can see that, but they lock in. So one is going to go inside that house, and then this one is going to go, like, you can see a ball bearing here, into that one, which means that I have one ball bearing in there, one ball bearing in here. That's not the original design. I think the original only has one here. And then I'm going to have one ball bearing in there, as you can see, there. So I think I just have to wait until this prints out, and then I should be able to put this together. I might have to print some distances here, because the distance to those, I can't really screw well or put the bolts on nice there, so I might have to have some distances over those to push them down. I think I saw another guy have to do the same thing, so yeah, that might be. But the cool thing is, I think I'll actually have it fully functioning from the motor to the shaft to the impellers. This is not propellers, since it's a pump. These are called impellers. And I just want to say that when it comes to these, this is polycarbonate, this white one, so it's real hard. And this is PETG. I don't know why I did that. That was a long time ago. But the goal is not to have this forever. It's just to see that it works and fits. And if it does, I just ordered these 2 parts somewhere online, like aluminium printed. So you can 3D print in aluminium. But so this is more for fitting and testing and see if it works. And if it does, I just ordered these 2 online in aluminium or steel. But aluminium is lighter, so why not? So that was everything for this time, I think. I don't think I'm gonna do more stuff on the top here. I don't think it will be 100% waterproof. I will put some clear coat both on the outside and the inside. Maybe even paint it, I don't know. These ones are not going to be this color. I printed them originally because I wanted to have them see-through. I saw somebody did that with some resin printing, but yeah, PETG clear. This isn't clear anyway, so this just looks ugly. But for now, it's just good to try, so I can have the motor running and see if I can pump some water in a good way here. So, thanks for following along. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoy watching the progress on my son's water jet outboard that I'm building. I will be releasing this open source in the sense that I will give this to the original creator of this water jet pump. Since this is not my original design, I'm just building on it and he's selling it. So hopefully when I have this working, anybody could just buy it from him and they will have these as additional files and you can print it out and make your own. So, until next time, have a great time and like and subscribe if you want to help me out, and I hope you enjoyed the video.